Splash believes every young woman in school should have access to clean water, soap, and a safe and dignified place to manage her menstruation, no matter where she lives. So we have designed, tested, and proven a model for schools in some of the world's largest cities. Our programming has helped over 1.4 million students with improved infrastructure and comprehensive menstrual health education. Our menstrual health programs are innovative because we involve the entire social ecosystem. Students of all genders learn about menstrual health, along with parents, guardians, and teachers, so we can break down stigma, debunk myths, shift norms, ensure access to menstrual hygiene supplies, and create a school environment where female students can thrive. Splash meets students where they are by leveraging phone apps and digital media to better reach young women in their entire social ecosystem. Splash also designs and installs female-friendly toilets that have locks, trash bins, hooks, ventilation, and mirrors, so young women don't have to worry about changing their pads at school. These designs were adopted by the Addis Ababa government and are now standard for every new school. Over the next decade, we will expand our programs to 12 cities in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, adapting our model and materials to each context to reach more than 3 million students. Join us on this journey to build a future of dignity, opportunity, and equality through transformative menstrual health programming, so that every young woman can thrive and reach her full potential for generations to come.